Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock Holo X and Y outfits in Pokémon Legends ZA. Alright, let's begin. Pokémon Legends ZA offers several character customization options, including the Holo X and Holo Y outfits. These outfits are futuristic, cyber-style versions of your character's default clothing. However, they cannot be purchased from any in-game clothing store. The only way to unlock them is through downloadable content. To get the Holo X and Holo Y outfits, open the Nintendo eShop on your console. Search for Pokémon Legends ZA and locate the Mega Dimension DLC. This DLC must be purchased, as the Holo outfits are included as a bonus with it. Once the purchase is complete, launch Pokémon Legends ZA. Play the game until character customization becomes available. According to official information, this usually unlocks after around 1 hour of gameplay. When customization is unlocked, press the minus button to open the customization menu. The Holo X and Holo Y outfits will already be available in your outfit options. You do not need to visit any shop or complete additional missions to claim them. So that's basically how you can unlock Holo X and Y outfits in Pokémon Legends ZA. That's it for this video. Thanks!